So here's our lovely house in Shawnee, Kansas. This is the garage over here, which as you can see, it's a little messy right now. We can actually fit more in there, and we've got boxes and stuff from way back when we moved. I've got my Triumph bobber 73. And then here is the star of the show, the 1970 GMC 1500 Custom. It is dirty right now because we just melted off from snow, so as you can see, the truck is real solid, no major rust holes or anything. Got some cardboard and stuff in the bed right there, but interior's a little rough, and the grandpa mirrors have to go, but again, floorboard and everything looks good. Gas tank behind the driver's side. I don't know whoever thought that was a good idea. Under hood shot. The vehicle currently does not run, but it has been sitting for a long time, and has some bad gas and stuff in it. So, but again, dirty. And the grandpa bug shield to match the other, so can give you an idea down the side. Nice and straight. Same with the other side. Just a good solid old truck. I just wish that I had the health and everything to be able to get it going. I've always envisioned it kind of the way it is, just with a late model drivetrain in it, something to make it run nice, maybe a little bit of height out of it, something like that. So but that is basically it. I can do some I'll try to get some more when I've got better sunlight. It's a bit overcast today, so we'll have to try it again. But again, go inside. It's a little chilly out here. So with the garage.